Hello everyone. Today we will be doing part 2 of the fireman update. Well, fire building update. And we will be doing the boat fire station. All the buildings were on fire. We are going to be solving in our boat instead of a fire truck. I do not know how this will work because it's just brand new that I don't think anyone knows. But we are going to, when we hit that button, we are going to get to the week 2 event of the fireman update. So as soon as we press that button, we will get to the next zone of the fire station update. Right. 1, 2, 3. I do not know how this will work, but the only thing what I can see is this light rolling around in like a circle in like 5 seconds every single.
What was that? Sharks!
What the hell is on that television?
Hey, buddies! In a chocolate dough!
Right, we're going to do this. I don't know how many things because this doesn't reach. But I think we're going to have to get this on this bridge, and we are going to have to spawn the firebolt. Oh, so the boats catch on fire, and you have to save them. That makes sense. Now, while we're saving that building, I'm just going to upgrade my speed because this is so slow. And because there's enough man over here, I think we can do a bit of fun. By the way, look, guys. So now we are going to actually save a boat. Let's give some disco on. Let's stop that. Okay. That, baby. Need to save me some. This is actually like, as soon as you see the fire, as soon as the screen says, oh, the fire is on fire, you have to like, whoosh, there's no to it. And it's just like so hard because you won't be the first one, but then, someone else get in there because then you just don't want to do it anymore. So that guy, he doesn't want to do it anymore because he didn't get it. Drop a like if you think part 1 was better than part 2, because to be honest, I think part 1 was better than part 2 because there's actually buildings that you actually should save. Boats don't catch on fire because they're in the water. So boats catching on fire in the sea is just not realistic. I don't think that cow can join my family. I I'm trying to get on this boat, get the thing, and I'm going, okay, new fireboat unlocked. I want to save as many boats and as many buildings. Well, not buildings, because we did that in part 1. But we need to save as many boats as we can. So, where is the save? Oh, there it is. So we need to save as many different boats as we can. So let's say that like there's something already. So, what I'm saying that, how do fires attack in the sea? Because the sea does. And what I was saying was, leave a like if you think part 2 is better than part 1. And subscribe if you think part 1 is better than part 2. Because if I was you, I would subscribe, because boats do not catch on fire because they're in the sea, and a boat can't catch on fire in the sea because it's water, and water puts the fire out, and there's so much water around it. So how is it supposed to catch on fire? So we are in the sea in fire. Okay, then so. Okay. Get a boat over here. Bye. Guys, that was awesome. We did a flip to get to the boat. Let's say, can you see that sign? Like, we saved 8 fires after that one. So, we're going to do 10 and then we're going to go. And when that hits 10, I'm going to say bye everyone, and I'm going to stop the video. Okay, that just doesn't make sense. Right, so wet boat. After this one more. Right. I didn't even stop. You attack it with. Just look. because he spawned right in front of my water shooter gun. I wasn't even controlling on it. Well, I was set, but that was the first time was unbelievable. But the water, one more boat, because we're not going to do such a long video, because after time it get a bit boring because you're just doing the same thing. So this is the last boat that we are going to save, and then I'm going to stop the video. Oh, the last boat is the lucky lot. Otherwise, if we stop the video there, that lot wouldn't make it out alive. Boats doesn't have a life. It's the boat. It's a boat. It doesn't have a life. Well, it does have lives because there's lives in it, but it doesn't have a life. You know what I mean? Right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's turn off the water tank and bye everyone.